everybody, it's Dominique with Dainty Budgets, and I'm going to be coming at you all today with my DoorDash and Uber Eats cash stuffing. I know I have not, which you guys probably haven't noticed, but I have not filmed this video in like maybe a week, 2 weeks. Everything has just been so slow, and I only made like maybe like $60 or $100, something like that, for the past couple of weeks, and I just did not feel like going on camera and stuffing that. So I'm gonna be stuffing for you all today. So let's go ahead and get started. It's definitely picking back up in my area, so I will definitely get back to being more consistent with this. So the first envelope that we're gonna stuff is Car, and Car will be getting $105. 20, 30, 60, 80, 1, and 5. And I know I never verbally tell you all, but I do have an Instagram for those of you who don't know. So if you wanna follow me on there, you definitely can. It's Dainty Budgets, just my name, like on YouTube. You can just follow me on there. I post all sorts of stuff, motivational stuff, funny videos, so it's not just necessarily budgeting related, but yeah, follow me on there if you'd like. So Car has 20, 40, 60, 81, 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 126. And if you all haven't caught my debt confessions video, definitely check that out. That'll give you more insight as to kind of my stuffings and things like that. The next one we're going to be stuffing is going to be rent, and rent is just going to be getting $50, 20, 40, then 50. And I believe this envelope is completely empty, so yeah, it just has 50 right now. And it's like past midnight right now, so I'm like really tired. If you all can't tell, pretty exhausted right now. All right, so the next envelope is going to be ministry, and ministry is going to be getting $40. So now ministry has 20, 40, 60, 80, 85, 90, 110. I want to say that's correct. 20, 40, 60, 81, what's that? Yeah. And a business will be getting $20. So now business has 20, 40, 60, 70, 75, 76, 77, $78. And I actually have to take some money to the bank, so this money comes out of a separate account, so I have to take some of this money to my regular bank. So for my regular bank, I'm going to be depositing $140. So 20, 30, 60, 81, 20, 40. Goes back to the bank. Now time for the sinking funds. So emergency will be getting $20. So now emergency has 51, 52, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 84, 20. Next, health will be getting $20. So now health has 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. 126. This week challenge is going to be getting $5 for the 5, 10, 20 challenge. And that total will be counted at the end of the year for those who don't know. Car maintenance is going to be getting $20. So now car maintenance has 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 160. Which I'm pretty excited to have this much in here, though I know it's not a whole lot, but it is something. I just have had so many issues in the past with my car, and I need that envelope stuffed as much as possible. Miscellaneous will not be getting anything. Student loans will be getting $20. And there's nothing in here, so just 20. Tolls will be getting $40. And for those of you who are new, I owe like $1,300 in tolls, and I have to pay that before my registration needs to be renewed. So the goal is $1,000, but even if I don't hit 1,000 by October, I'm still going to do my best to stuff this envelope just so I can, maybe work out a payment plan with them or something. So in tolls, we have 1, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 300, 305, 310, 315, 320, 325, 375, 380, 385. Oh my gosh, I could not think for a second. 385 in tolls. Debt will be getting, sorry, I wrote this all down, I can't see. Okay, $20. So debt now has 20, 40, 60, 81, 10, 110. And I'm hoping to pay off one of my credit cards by next month, so let's get that maxed out as much as possible. Taxes is going to be getting $40. And I do need to condense these bills because it's so much. It's not so much, but it's a lot of 20s, so. All right, so 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 84, 20, 40, 60, 85, 20, 40, 90, 610, 610, 630, 650, 660, 665, 667, 668. And that, see, that's why I need to condense it. All right, and that is pretty much it. I thank you all so much, so much for watching. I hope that you all enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you so much.